Hello there. I am so sleepy right now, so I need to get some bedtime sleep. I was staying up all night yesterday. Too close. Alright. Well, so if you excuse me, I could get my bedtime rest. See you later. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Pasta. Well, so how are you doing today? Well, I'm not having a good day. I don't like flying in airplanes. Well, it's fun for me because I get to look outside at the birds. It's not fun for me. I hate airplanes. Stupid. Oh my gosh, you just said the curse word. What are you doing? What curse word? What are you talking about? It's not even a curse word. Stupid. Oh, well, the plane's gonna crash because you said that. You're so stupid. Oh my god. Oh my god. They're gonna crash. They're gonna crash. They're crashing. Crashing. Well, that was a crazy dream. Well, at least I get to stay up now. Well, that was a pretty good day anyways. Pretty good nap. And a scary dream because I thought I was actually gonna die. Well, that was pretty fun by the way. Well, that's just weird.